Hi everyone, he's got that from the second-hand shop. Look, it was really funny. Come on quick before the cars come, don't drop him in the road. Oh, oh. Hi everyone. Nice views up here, guys. Look. Awesome. Do you want Mummy to carry him? Mummy, get him. Mummy. Mummy. Mummy, get him. Alright, you carry him. You carry him then. Ooh, a big truck. Don't put him down there, will ya? Don't put him over the wall. I'm not going getting him if you do. Do you want Mummy to carry him while you look over the wall? He's going to end up over the wall, this teddy buddy. Want me to carry him? Huh? You alright with him? He's got that from the charity shop, everyone. He chose it himself, everyone. Oh yeah. He chose it himself. He didn't want the pink pig or the meerkat, the grandad meerkat. He wanted that mole. You got his heart set on it, didn't you? Do you want Mummy to carry it for you? Look at the views, guys. Nice views round here. Let's see how high up we are. Ooh, yeah, it's very high. You'll drop that, won't you? You'll drop your mole. Look, I see a horsey over there, look. Horsey. And there's that pond, isn't there, somewhere? There's a big pond over there. Isn't it beautiful? Gorgeous, isn't it? That's what makes our town beautiful, when you've got views like that, guys. But yeah. Want Mummy to carry him? Yeah, he chose that one. See, American Akitas, this, the favourite toy. The favourite toy are soft toys, teddies and things. They love that. He's not really mad about balls. He loves playing with his balls and playing ball with us, but his favourite thing is that, the teddy. And at night when he's had his tea, jumps on Jason with his teddy and he'll lump Jason's bloody knee or his leg. He's naughty. Trying to discourage it. Yeah, boy. You can't. Showing off. Come here, we're not crossing yet. We'll walk down this way yet. Let's go. Nothing's we're going that way. I'm not crossing, guys. It's right, clever no. Carry on down. Down for a bit. One past the car washing. Splishy! Where you always bark and woof woof. Inside garage, guys, and tyres. Crossing over yet, are we? Do you want Mummy to carry it for you now? You're a big boy, aren't you? Carrying it all that way from the second-hand shop. He's a big boy. Mummy got it. I'll get it. No, leave. Right, leave. Not much really happened on our walk, so that's why we post it. So if nothing happens, I'm not posting like just boring walking out road. Wait, we're crossing. No. Right. Right now. Mia, at the road. Right. Oh, wait. Bloody Teddy. A bloody Teddy. Carry it now. Carry it now. Don't lose it. Here. Go this way. With him. We can get that way, can we? Is that the way we can't get? Go the other way. Sweet. Right, all gone now. Will we carry him? We'll be giving when we get home. When we get home. We get home. We get home. And my hand. Naughty boy. Meerkat. Carry it. Get it. Good boy. What more do you need when you have beautiful teddy bedroom dog entertaining the masses? Huh? What more do you need, guys? Best dog in the world, look. Everyone says that, don't they, about the dog? But yeah, I am afraid of my boy, everyone. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. This way now. This way. This no, that's too far now. Come. You had a good walk. You've had a poo-poo. Oh, workmen here will cross over. This is workmen doing things. Teddy, aren't you? Boy. Come on. Ooh, we're building walls. This way. Boy, we don't get in the way, do we? We won't get in the way, will we? No. Builders building there, everyone. Building a big wall. This one's had a new sofa. I call it a sofa because it's welcome to sit so far away from me. That was one of the jokes I made when I was arguing once with my partner. I was carried it all the way home, the lad bloke. So good. Anyone need a new sofa, guys? He's got a teddy. I've got a teddy. Come on. He's got a little doggy. Have a look. Come on. This way. Good boy. like there's some people there at the race. Right. Fighting them. The big buggies. So Teddy only bought me that front shot. I didn't steal it, honest. Oh, that was a good brisk one. My legs always ache. Don't know why. I don't know. Horse is here. Hi guys. We have horse coming. Oh, we're okay. As soon as they move. We're nearly home now, aren't we? Have horse coming. We're nearly home now. He got a teddy from RSPCA shop. Aww. He's carried it all the way home. Have some fun with that when you get home, can't you? Oh, come on, quick. Ooh, come on. Oh, yeah. Yeah, got it, Teddy. Come on, we get the key out. And this one. This bag's amazing, everyone. If you're a dog walker, kitchen bag. It's worth its weight in gold, this bag, so it really is. It's the bag that is tiny, convenient. And fits so much in. Really awesome. Okay. Let me undo that. Oh, you want to play? Go on, go and play with it. Ooh, what have you got? I love it, Mummy! I want it, Daddy, Mummy! I got to play with it! Oh, and go and play with your toy in the garden. Don't leave it down there with your others.